Hi, to enable flashlight on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we have several ways. The first one is really simple. You just need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here find the storage icon. So to enable it, you need to tap it once, so it will light up orange, and now the flashlight is on. To disable, just tap it again. And also, we can enable flashlight with the help of power button. For that, we need to go in the settings. Here, we need to go in the additional settings. After that, select gesture shortcuts. And now, go in this section, double press the power button and enable to turn on flashlight. Just like that. And now, let's try this out. I'm gonna double tap the power button, which is located on the right side of the phone, like that. And yeah, it's working, the flashlight enables. And double tap again to disable. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.